Sitting at a roadside in scorching heat, these self-employed laborers are waiting for customers while the world observes Labor Day. These laborers hardly earn 200 to 300 rupees per day to make both their ends meet in the wake of such inflation.
زمان गुजारा नहीं की तो कोना गाठल की शामा का माखाम खर्चे की कारखाने की शहर जी की दी जिना खूब बच्चे कना पदे घर में खुना नहीं कर.
Not only are such self-employed laborers are facing hardship in their daily routines, but those working in industries are also leading a miserable life. The government had announced 7,000 rupees as minimum wages for laborers, but they are still getting 4,000 rupees, which is a violation of the Pakistan International Labour Policies.
औरत को हमेशा कम पे दी जाती है. पता नहीं क्यों औरत इस चीज को समझती नहीं है कि हम अपना हक कब तक नहीं मांगेंगे. औरत को क्यों इतना कमजोर और कमतर समझा जाता है.
Commenting on the laborers issue, a government source said that according to the 18th Amendment, every provincial assembly is supposed to formulate its own labor laws and will also take on board the private sector, which could bring positive changes.
लेबर के लिए मैं समझता हूँ कि अब ये जो 18वीं तरमीम हुई है और डेवोल्यूशन हो रहा है, उसमें मैं समझता हूँ कि सूबाई हुकूमत जब नई लेबर पॉलिसी, अब तो हर सूबाई हुकूमत खुद बनाएगी, इंशाल्लाह ये हुकूमत जो है हमें ऑन बोर्ड लेगी प्राइवेट सेक्टर को, और प्राइवेट सेक्टर एक वाज़ेह लेबर पॉलिसी का इनेकाद करेगी.
Laborers play an important role in the progress and development of a nation and need proper attention on the government's part. Irrespective of the scorching heat and freezing weather, these laborers work from dawn to dusk just to feed their families. Mavish Qayyum reporting for Express 24/7, Peshawar.